The eyes of the world have been glued to the city of Harran for the past 2 months, following the outbreak of a previously unknown pathogen.
It is not yet clear what has caused this gruesome affliction.
Hadi gör. Tamam. New game? No.
HUD activated. Commence briefing.
Approaching Harran.
Data on the subject, Kadir Suleiman. A local political figure hired to maintain order after the outbreak. His brother Hassan died in a disease-related incident before we were able to evacuate him. Suleiman blamed the GRE for Hassan's death. He stole a highly sensitive file which became his bargaining chip against the GRE, with instructions to publicize it if anything happened to him. Data on the subject, the stolen file.
Jump in 10 seconds.
It details the incomplete process of synthesizing a cure for the virus. If implemented in its current state, the produced substance may be extremely toxic.
Now.
Also, the file contains full description of the virion structure. Any attempt to use it would result in countless lives lost. It must be recovered. Further information, current status. Suleiman sent the file to an associate unknown to us, with instructions to publicize it at his command at any time. To counter that, we instituted a citywide communication jam, preventing him from publicizing the file. Your GRE-issued radio can overcome that jamming. It is your lifeline. Do not lose it. Suleiman has since gone underground and begun using a different name. We have reason to believe he now leads one of the 2 main factions operating within the city. You are to find Suleiman and locate the stolen file in order to save mankind from a disaster of unprecedented proportions.
Lan. Was? Bak bakın.
I told you that wasn't a normal drop shoot.
Break his legs, then take him to rides.
Back up! All of you!
Stop! Loud noises draw them. Fall back! Fall back!
Come on! We have to move!
Let's get him off the
Get the door open!
Tower, this is Jade. Get sickbay ready. Got a guy with a bad head wound and a bite on one arm.
Oh shit, Amir's hurt?
Amir is gone. But I'm bringing in someone who might still survive.
One of us?
We'll see.
Bora, espera.
liekas, tur ir eko.
Pēdējo, ko tu teici, dzirdēji.
Kas?
Pēdējo, ko tu teici, dzirdēji.
Jā, tev vienkārši par skaļu spēli, tāpēc te nedzird. Ko dīvaini, ja Skype'ā uzzināt spēli parasti klusāk paliek. Jā, beigi vajag, blē. Fuck you, blē, Skype. Tu vari pauzēt. Jā, kā rastās, kas te pa viņu? Jā. Mama, ko ir bērni? Atrast, blē, īstais smuds. Bet nē, tu ir viss normāli.
Tagad
Tas
izskatās.
ir sākums, tas... tu katlaini. Pakniec kā... Katskīns.
Tagad es dzirdu normāli.
Jā, tā vajadzētu būt. Jā, tas tāpat kā viņam ir tas sākums, kas intro, bet tas arī fucking skaļi, bet... Redz, kā būt esmu jau redzējis. Nav jau traģiski, viņi fucking amazing spēle, bet vienkārši mēs tagad dodam izmēģināt manam brālim viņu. Viņš nekad nav viņu spēlēs, viņš par viņu pat nezināja. Bet tagad jūs mūs dzirdat, vai ne? Jo vienkārši cutscene ir fucking skaļi šajā spēlē un tur neko nevar mainīt. Ja nu vienīgas Windowsā nav griezt. Bet tad būs jāskraida. Tad, kad cutscenes, tad ir jāgriež nost, un tad, kad nav cutscenes, tad jāgriež uz tipu skaļāk. Var klusot, bļē. Saprot, ka viņš pat visu dzird. Lasi misiju, ja?
Seriously?
Jā.
Lol.
On the boss, bļē. Jā, sūdīgi. Uz dzird sev.
Quiet. Fuck quiet. Now he's gonna get the meals on the scene.
Lai normāli dzirdējām mēs visu.
Jā?
Nu, vismaz šeit, jā.
Ko viņi dirž tajā čatā?
Es nezinu, ka viņi ir.
Crane. Čats second dirž. Oh, right. How's your
Kāpēc es nevaru uzlikt manu čatu?
You got it. Listen up. Until the boss says so, you are not on the list. So go talk to him ASAP and let's get things moving. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Kamera pa maz. Uzliec full screen.
Ko, kamerā, bļē?
Nē, nu visam ekrānam. Dievs bultiņas tad, zini.
Tā nē, normāli. Normāli kamera.
Labi,
Vai ir par maz? Ko jūs sakat, čaļi? Banānčiks, madars? Ko jūs sakat, kamera ir par maz vai nav par maz? Jo nākošais izmērs tas ir ahuieni lielāks. Apmēram pa visu šito, visu to noslēpt. Arī last follower un vispār.
You're 31. Running.
Nu?
Oi.
Runā. Jā, tev ir jāstādā publika, tev ir jārunā.
Es taču nemāku.
Es taču nezinu, ko runāt, bļē? Nu kādā spēlē pagaidām?
Tipa tā.
Ķipa ko, bļē?
Normāli.
Hey, I'm looking for the... Are you the boss?
What, am I too young? You got the problem with my age?
No, You wanted to talk to me?
That's better. Do you remember anything? Know what you are?
Yeah, I can see
Fuck,
this
te
is
palicies?
kind of shelter.
We call it the Tower. Brecken and his runners put it all together a couple of months ago, and we've been here ever since.
Vismaz streamā fullscreenā kaut kā ir tīri ciešana.
Pārāk labi.
I wanted to thank that girl.
Nē, pārāk labi nav.
Maybe chewing some of his knee bone.
Tur ir labāk. Uz monitors.
Only thing Jade could salvage
Bet neliko. Tas ir pārsteidzoši. Šādai aktīvai spēlē un grafiskai.
needs more than you do.
Believe me, pal, that's not the case.
Bet, what the fuck, mēs nedzirdam spēli.
Runners put their lives in danger for guys like
Es nedzirdu, spēle ir ļoti klusa.
for someone else, and you won't even share your gear with us?
Es knapi dzirdu.
I don't have time to deal with your
Nu, tur jau laik. Tāpēc, ka ir Skype, what, kur ir problēma. Stop, pauzi. Tāpēc es domāju, bet...
Что
Stop. Блядь, klusāk nevar, vai ne, blядь? Helmut, ne? Un kā tagad? Labi, tas ir... Baļo, šitais krāsas kā nebū. Man ļaunas, man tāds skin kādā bija streamā, tas kustājās. Tāpēc mēģināju pēc iespējas mazāk kustēties. Es vienkārši stīvs sēdēju bez streama, man vienmēr sāpēja mugura un rokas. Plēc. Es vienkārši tā kā lohs sēdēju, tur vienkārši statuju, bet... Pamēģinu tagad. Pēdējā pilnībā reizi. Liekas, kamera ir normāli.
videos were stuck.
Ir jāstāsta spēle, nevis kamera. Vai ne? Speedcard.
I don't want to see you or your precious radio anymore. So
Ja viņi tāds, ka viņi ir widescreen.
we don't tolerate
Es
lazy
īsti nevaru ierāmēties tajā overlay.
Hey, be fair. I'm not lazy. I'm just. Hey, boss.
That last guy I mentioned, he's only on the 13th
Nav
floor.
nezinu, kā.
Might as well be captain of money.
Uvidēs, kas būs.
And I'm not the boss. Too young, remember? I'm Rahim.
Spēle dzird normāli?
Tā, bišķi.
Nē, viņu vajag skaļāk, man liekas. Jo es pirmā streamās ļoti dzirdu. Jā, speedruns, блядь, да нахуй, максимум. Kaut kur nē, šitā jau. Sagās, music, nē, music mums nevajag. Nu labi, lai ir, būs bišķi nedēļ. Pagriezīsim šitā. SF, šitā.
Ir labi.
Nē, abas labāk vienādi, lai būs mums.
Tā ir labi.
Jā. Nu tagad pamēģinu. Zaceņim, bļa, fišu.
Ой, бля.
I'm not lazy, you little shit.
Jā, jau, es jau labāk divu.
You know this one? What did the zombie say to his date?
Oh god, dude, enough with this stupid jokes.
Jā, ir labāk.
But what did he
Jo,
say?
jo, jo, watch out,
What did
ka
he
tagad ir
say? Try guessing.
Manuprāt.
Shit,
Banančik?
I
Mothers?
don't
Ko
know.
jūs sakat?
That he loves women with brains or something?
Kādā saka? Nu,
You are
kā salīdzināt?
Ой, бля.
Genius.
Hardly.
Where do you think you're going? The 13th floor. I'm getting some stuff for Rahim. 13? Shit.
Skaties,
It's
kur
gonna be some dirty work.
Kartas skaties.
But we all got to pull our weight around here, huh? Jesus. How many people died here?
Normāls laiks. Ar durvīm nevis ar automātiskām. Tās tev nav nekāda 9 stāveni. Zaļi.
Divsāni.
Kas? Stāveni.
Crane here.
Where were you? We've been waiting for your report. It's It's been over 70 hours.
I lost my radio for a while. Don't worry, my cover's intact. No contact with the tower's leader yet. Unable to confirm identity. I'm taking steps to blend in.
Acknowledged. Time is of the essence, Crane. Remember that.
There's one more thing. I got bitten.
Jules.
I've shown no symptoms, but the people here say I'm infected.
Then you'd better get your hands on some antizin ASAP,
Help!
hadn't you?
Help! Somebody!
What the hell?
Sıradan kampın Thomas böyle bir meselesi. O kaçtı ne? Aizur dursun galam. Ну типа запись, песенки.
I cut my arm, getting away from him. Oh, God. You had to kill him, didn't you? God damn it! That was my brother. I came down to see him and...
Welcome.
Easy. It's all right now. I'll get help. Hey, Raheem, this is Crane. I'm down here on 13. Listen, this guy of yours got fucked up pretty bad getting away from a zombie.
Oh shit. 31? You went after Mark? Is it safe down there?
Yeah, well, it's safe enough now.
Okay,
Das ist
don't move.
natürlich
I'm sending Lena downstairs.
Fun.
Hey, hold still. Lena will be here any minute.
Gauze. You've got to find some gauze. Oh, and alcohol. Combine them. That will stop the bleeding. Please hurry.
I try to stay calm, okay? I'll be right back.
Oh, fuck Mark. Fuck Mark. Ну заебало есть, бля. Ну понятно, представь, что чипс, блядь. Мне тик fucking скально. Rītīt, blēd. Tev ir jāatrod gauze un alkohols. Parasti ir somās.
Kur tu nahuj somas?
Meklē. Kartēm, liekas. Reku, ot, šeit priekšā ir. Ot šeit, jā. Reku tas oranžais, piemēram, kas bija, kuram tu pagāja garām, tas kasts, oranžās kasts, kas ir istabās. Reku tas case, tas oranžais case.
Ko nahuj? Šit.
Jā, ot tas un leduskapī apsties arī. Neko? Nā, reku alkohols, piemēram, redz. Spēlē var, bļā, sudīgi dzirdēt viņu. Viņam ir mikrofons stāv. Sāk jau. Un... Jā, whatever. Es tur bija vēl vienkārši, bet... labi. Zūks izrādīja. Galvenais Explero game'ā vispār viss, tipa... Viss telpas izskata visu, kas ir aktīvs, kas nav aktīvs. Kur pieeja tur pie vienmēr tā loga, un man ir 2 līdz 30 sekundes. Kaut kas zina, mašs var atvērt. Gaming. Kam būtu atvērt tas skatu? Cik tas var būt dziļā? Jā, man ir dīlēs, man ir aizstara 30 sekundes. Plus minus.
Okay, I think that's everything I'm gonna find. Let's give this a shot.
goes, there you go.
No.
Redz, tur tu esi izpildījis, tik jāskan vēl čet.
Ģip.
Pagaid, tev nav jākarto?
Ko es tikko uzspiedu?
Press I. Digi tev ir blueprint.
Vai pagaisi kaut ko tur saspēju?
Nolaid spēl. Pagaid, nē, tev jāiet blueprintos.
No. Blin, nahuj, jā, mēs nomet.
Kur augšā tie blueprint?
No, jā, es uzspiedu.
Tur medkit? Nav? Pagaid, nē, reku blueprints jāspēr. Rekur lejā medkits un... Kas tur ir craft? Nē, create.
Jā, tā vietā, lai atvērtu, viņš vienkārši uzspiež.
Ko? Nē, viņš vienkārši uzspēj. Nu, jā. Tā viņš ir teiks vēl. Bet tas ir... Paiglam.
Okay, who's hurt?
He's bleeding pretty bad.
Let me see him.
Kaila vajag atvērt nekā roku.
Gauze and alcohol, huh? Pretty primitive, but it'll work.
Atvērt. Bled, nu kas tas ir? Tu vari pupas šitā mētāt. Nekad ir kaut kāds pupsīšs.
Thanks for the help. I'll take care of him from here.
O, pasties.
Well done, 31.
Hey, 31. Not bad for a new guy. Perhaps I misjudged you.
Yeah, I just want to help out and repay you guys for what you did for me.
Tev nekaracē monetārs.
Come find me,
Kas?
and
Tev
we'll talk about
nekaracē
how you
šajās
can do that.
monetārs. Viņā nestāv. Slam.
Tā traucē?
Nu, man traucēt, kas, ja es uzmestu acis. Viņš tāds dīles, bļaļ, es saprotu, kur es esmu. Bļaļ, mana balss ar mikrofonu izslēdzas tik fucking ugly.
Must be a way out of it.
Tik dīvaini, ugly.
All right, taken care of. Piece of cake.
Sākumā ir daudz.
What else you got for me?
Well, let me think.
Ir kaut kur tāds
Rahim?
stāvs ir.
You are just smart enough to be dangerous, you know that? Omar told me about your plans for the nest.
Jā, bet...
Explosive
tu
charges?
starpā ko darīt?
Really?
Starpā pilnībā.
Explosives?
Oh,
I never
please.
said that.
Kaut vai.
You can't tell a convincing lie to save your life.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah?
Zerali,
You think you can't die?
You're not my mom.
jā.
No, I'm not. Our mom's dead.
Pados.
So you might want to be a little
Luka,
nicer to me since I'm the only
Diva,
family
Sergio.
you have left. Especially now that Amir is gone.
You're Jade, right?
Right?
I just wanted to thank
I
you for
feel
what you
well
did for me
with this,
and tell you how sorry I am for your
Nu,
loss.
tas taču
I owe
tev,
you and Amir my life.
Yeah,
Labi,
you do. You want to return the favor? Keep my dipshit brother from killing
Domina
himself.
klausīties.
No explosives, Rahim.
Kurš čips?
Beidzot.
Ilze.
So, is that enough?
Šito sāk.
Do I get to talk to Brecken now?
First, go change your clothes. I left some new ones for you in your room. You're in 194.
Something wrong with what I'm wearing?
You need something that fits the job Brecken wants you to do. Call me when you've changed.
Tu iedomājies, streamā ir tāda nenormāla skaņa, ak, Dievs. Es ļoti atvainojos visiem, kas to ir. Es ceru, ka jūs esat nolūguši savus austiņus vai paplēžuši. Nogriezuši klusāk savu stumbiņu.
Es ceru, ka jūs to neizdarījāt. Čats tāds neaktīvs, davai saņemās veči.
Seisam.
Galvenais nemīgži.
Lasi.
Okay, Raheem, I'm ready. Where do I find Brecken?
Jā, labi.
Not so fast, 31. If you're going to earn your keep, we have to find out if you've got the skills.
Varētu
Get
tik
your ass up
nomest
to the
tas
gym.
outfits.
It's on the top
Es
floor.
esmu vēl vienu
Just a couple
pavēlku,
flights
kā
up.
kaut kur tur kaut kāds giveaways. Un kaut kas tāds, whatever. Kaut ko Alien vēl. Mājaslapā jāaiziet.
Remember?
Kobļa?
Kobļa? Kas?
How are zombies like computer?
Tā joptā, maķi.
Rapers?
Another one.
Skaties kamerā, nē, bet kartē.
Jau
Tā
skatos.
pultiņa uzrāda, ja viņi ir uz augstu, tad jāiet augstāk, ja stāv augstāk. Ja rāda uz leju, tad uz leju to jāiet.
Raheem, I don't see you. Where are you?
Ieglīgi es sākumā nesaprotu. Es nepamanīju to pultiņu, viņš nepievērsa viņu uzmanību.
Jobanē.
Well, what are you waiting for? Get over here.
Zinu, ko viņam vajadzētu iedot? Mirror Sage paspēlē. Būtu interesanti, kā viņš paspēlētu Mirror Sage. Jobaņi jau diezgan spēlēšu.
Stāstīs, pastāsti, kad spēlēs.
Kas?
Pats Mirror Sage.
Nopietni? Tu tā kā esi bots, bļā.
You want to feel right at home. A crane on a crane.
Бля, ёптую мать. Ilza.
Ilza точно, bļā. Tev ir jāuzlēc te pa vidi tajā. Nevis jāiet gar maliņu garstiem, bet pa vidi.
Блядь.
Manuprāt, tā būtu.
Так, бля, лать нахуй. Пим.
Tur ir space. Bļa, tu sit pa to space tā, it kā, bļa, tas nezinu, bļa, tā būtu... Bļa, 65. gada, bļa, klaviatūra.
Jā.
Varat augšā uzlikt, pareizi. Shift spiedot, tu ātrāk ej.
Es zinu.
Tur arī ātrāk nopusties. Nu, labi.
Welcome to our gym. First things first, you've got to learn how to run.
What do you mean, learn how to run?
Just do what I say, all right? Now, jump down to the very bottom.
Are you nuts? I'd kill myself.
Don't be a wimp.
Come on, you can't be serious.
Watch this.
720 tas taču ir, jā. Ļoti labi tas.
Raheem!
My leg!
Jesus, don't move! I'll get help!
Ir vienkārši ar vienu.
I was just
gaming
fucking with you.
Son of a bitch!
What? You can't take a joke? Come on! Get your ass down here!
Christ on a crutch. Holy shit! Holy shit!
It's a rush, isn't it? But don't blow your load just yet. There's more. To survive outside, you got to take advantage of the terrain.
Yeah,
Most eaters suck at climbing, so the harder the terrain is, the better for you.
Yeah.
I've got some typical situations set up for you. Let's see how you handle them.
Sometimes it's better to crawl through the low, narrow passages. Eaters will have a tough time following you.
Es tur šidā, man liekas, no pirmās neaizgāju. Galais.
Сука.
Skrienāt.
Try not to slow
Tur
down
shifting,
once
tur
you start
shifting.
running.
Man liekas, tas ir uz laiku, vai ne?
You're
Vai
probably
nebija uz laiku? Ieskrien. Man arī tā liekas. Gangsta, ja.
For a noob.
Tā bultiņas izstrāda. Tu vari arī pie tiem steņiem pieķerties. Iekas.
Бляха,
Par šiem būtu. Kaut pie tā. Viktor, nē, pa labi augšā, redzi durvis to tur.
Jā, es domāju. Kā tu lekt?
Tu domā, ka vajag lekt bija. Es pirms laikam pēc tam domāju. Ko? Tā arī var. Man liekas, es pat taisnoju līdz. Kodēļ?
That's my favorite. Cat grab and muscle up. You won't survive outside for
Tur
10
ir
minutes if you
interesanti.
can't do that.
Wirklich speziell.
Kas pa huiņa?
Skaties kartē.
Es skatos.
Es tev jātiek augšā. Man obligāti šeit. Skaties, kur tu vari. Tēt tu nevar. Nevar.
Diešām.
Lik dišana.
Tas nekur nevar, bļa.
Var. Nu es tak varēju.
Labi tev.
Apskaties, izver apkārt. Padomā, ģeometriski pareizi.
Bļa.
Nav obligāti šeit. Es salāžām ir kaut kas tāds nevar. Kaut kas tās malas tur vai apakaļ. Patreiz, tur. Nē. Kreisi tur. Un taisni un augšā redzi. Nē. Nolika.
Ļoti labi.
Es arī esmu. Achievement tam var. Seko sodu popu? Labi. Seko sodu popu? Rīt klusāk. Oh, Aiden, yeah. Thank you for changing the game. You're the beast. Tā nav obligāti te.
Kaut ko jau tur ir, bļa.
Nē, vienā stūrī. Vič kā viss. Check all the fucking save. Viņš vienkārši sēž vienā stūrī un lākā.
Tikai divs.
Viņš uzlidos.
Ui.
Atkal lejās uzlidos.
Bļa, es jau te biju. Kā lai, bet tur tieku?
Tu jau tur biji?
Man vajag atkal.
Tev jātiek atpakaļ. Paņem mikrofonu, bišķi tālāk no sejas. Lūdzu, kārpus. Dirdi?
Tā?
Šitā, jā. Pašā galā neķeries, ja tad būtu pretīgi skaņa.
Uzspied.
Bļa, tur tik daudz būtu. First time playing Dying Light? Yes, that's my brother. He's playing. He even didn't know that this game exists. And now we're checking how he's playing. This is like practice. Tur priekš true gameriem, jā. Rekis, es tagad augšā, redzi? Tev tagad jāpārēc tur uz tur. Uz to platformu. O, tu esi te. Tagad, nē. Tagad
Ir te jātiek.
Jep, tieši tā. Nav jāspaida. Tas nav Mario, kur tu gaisā pēkšņi palicies vēlreiz.
Bļē, es vēl nopisos.
Vienkārši turi, ja tu lec, tad tur ir spējas šeit. Turi, es pie divreiz Mario. Es pie divreiz spējas. Man tā drīzāk. Un banāņš. Viņš laikam bija tavā čatās. Yeah, I know. Just another experience on my channel. I think it's pretty good for now.
Wow.
Rage is incoming.
Ебал, бля, я утрешу рейс твоей, нахуй.
Сука, бля.
Блядь, Илза, чисто, блядь. Лена, нахуй.
Типа, сука, Илза. Tas suka, bля.
Tikai Ilza.
Jā, tikai Ilza.
А, вот, бля.
Вот оно.
Tas нахуя не дав.
Yeah, something like that.
Ko es nahуя esmu tagad, bļaļ? Liena, bļaļ.
Skaidrs, jā. Nahuj viņam, vai ko copy-paste?
Jā.
Ko, es copy-paste? What the fuck? Bля, son. Go sleep again.
Вот, бля, ёб твою мать, нахуй.
Kāds Danis vēl iet pēc tiks uz mītu? Aha, es nedēļu. Yeah, he's playing a little bit, but he's playing like NBA and games like that. Sports game, I mean. NBA, NHL.
Oh, bля.
Bobby World. Literally. But yeah, sports game, sport genre. Something like that.
Oba!
You got this! No, dude.
Good job.
Not?
Okay, time for the real test. Get back to the crane. Make use of anything and everything while you run.
The tutorial is even amazing when you're watching people playing first time. You know what? I will highlight this on YouTube. Export, if brother allows me, of course. I can't do that if he don't accept that.
Tas jau vispār nav reāli.
Šis vēl vispār nav reāli.
Kaut kāda šņaga, bļa.
Apsizies, pamīst. I'll be right back, I need to pee. Pee time.
Uzmini, nu. Es nokritu no mājas. Bļāķ. Hey, diers. Edgar, kur tu papsies? Bļaļ.
Okay, that's enough. You've got some serious natural talent, man. Either that, or you've done this before. You done this before?
Hardly. The closest I ever came to this was running track in high school.
Well, then you're a fucking prodigy. Never seen anything like it.
nepamanīju.
Banančiks ar teviem runā.
Nu.
Viņš tevi sauc. Tev ir jāpievērš uzmanību arī tam. Tu esi ticis tālāk.
Nu, es papisos bišķi, bet nu jā. Progress.
Progress ir. Jā, lejā, priekšnā.
Kur tad, bļaļ? Šajā sūdī jātiek kaut kā.
Jā, tev ir jātiek augšā. Es pēc neaizēju, kur tu biji jāskat.
Vai, bļaļ. Nahujā mēs lēcam.
Es pirms apsties apkārt un pēc tam dot.
Es jau biju, bļaļ.
Jā, nē, tur ir margas, tu nevarēs to būt.
Vo.
Nē, tas nav vo. Vo, te un augšā. Vo.
Nu jā?
O, bļā, fiška variet, bļā, fiška variet. Ar to mēs atkal iedzeram.
Kur ir trepe, bļaļ?
Meklē, skaties apkārt.
Es jau skatos. Un te. Kurts pimps ir?
Tas skaņam.
Kas par huiņa?
Talk to me. What's going on?
Something went wrong. Rahim, what just happened to me?
I bet you're having your first seizure. Just get back over here.
Rest in peace, motherfuckers. Nesiki tā klaviatūra, nav brīnums, ka, bļaļ, katru mēnesi jādod jaunu klaviatūru.
Tu man nedod klaviatūras.
Tāpēc, ka es, bļaļ, viņas tik bieži nepērku, bļaļ, man viņas nepērku bieži.
Man jums nav katru mēnesi klaviatūru jaunu. Es pie datora nesēšu.
Jā, bet tas spēlēšu, tev būs jāpērk. Tu zini, nav obligāti izspēlēt. The boss! Jāteic, vai jāteic?
Rahim, what the fuck was that? Does this mean I'm turning?
Most likely no. At least not yet.
Beidz bučot,
Seizures
bļaļ,
remind you that
kudo?
you're infected. You better go see Dr. Zera though. He'll check you out, probably give you a shot of antizin. Before you head out to see Zera, talk to the quartermaster.
Noteikti dzirdēt tikai.
He'll gear you up so you can go outside without getting your head bitten off.
Saproti, jā, par ko es minēju. Es nosaucu to puļogu. Nemāku dzert, nedzert.
Ej, tu, bļaļ.
Uz oranžā, uz oranžā. Augšā. Sveiks, Rič. Izbauda, kā mans brālis spēlējām Dying Light. Viņš vēl parām spēlē. Tā kā tutorials, laikam, šis skaidās, ja?
Huiz.
Man liekas, ka tutorials.
Alright, they've given me an actual job. And nobody suspects I'm not who I say I am. So far, so good. And once Dr. Zera helps me manage these symptoms I'm dealing with, I'll be even better.
Cik grūti?
Hardroks, ne?
Oh, you're the new scout. Rahim radioed me about you.
Yeah, that's me. Name's Crane.
I'm not gonna bother learning your name till you survive a few days, but here, this is for you. By the way, word around the tower is you're just another deadbeat in line for food on Antizin. By which I mean, the people here don't much like you. But don't blame them. It's easy to get paranoid when you're isolated. And since somebody's jamming communications to the outside, there's plenty of paranoia to go around. Whole damn city with nobody to call for help but ourselves. You bring me some supplies from the airdrops, though, and you'll see people change their tunes in a hurry. That shit's a game changer.
Thanks. I'll bear that in mind. Listen, is there anything else? I'm in a bit of a rush.
Also, if you're looking to get more popular, you can try helping folks. Do a few favors, they might like you more. Might even find a woman. Keep you warm at night.
Kopš garantijas, kad gadās. Kopš mēs viņu samainījām pret garantiju. Jā, lāzera sadarbība.
Tā ir brand new iespējas.
Jā, šitā ir praktiski neizmantot. Tas viņš pat nav, blē, neviens čipsīt uzskats.
Jā, viņš pats ir tik uzskats, to nezinu.
Ko tu nedzirdi? Uģi tu nedzirdi? Tu sēli tu nedzirdi, vai tu mūs nedzirdi? Brālis, piemēram, ļoti maz runā.
Nu, nerunā.
Kāpēc es okay? Es tagad skrietu gaitu.
Krīt.
Going outside, yeah?
Mums tik beidzās ap?
Krīt, paldies.
Izdata.
Okay, new guy. Be careful out there. We've lost too many already.
Jā, viņš ir otrā pasaules galā. Nu, tā varētu būt, ja viņš ir tālu no mikrofona.
Labi, kad es runāju spēlēs, tuvāk
You got Dr. Zera set up in a semi-trailer
No
on a
homo,
bed.
no
homo.
When you leave the tower, hang a left and head due south. You can't miss it.
It's Crane, kid.
All right. Crane. Just keep moving. There's no time to take in the sights.
Nu, ko, like zombies?
Try not to make too much noise.
Ой, блядь. Систему придумаю. Ну, Илза, над, блядь.
Ай, F.
Блядь, ты нахуй охуела. Нахуй там это, блядь, сидит нахуй.
Visies prom, tad tu netkins. Damn, bitch. Jā, mēs tieši runājām to virtuvēm.
Jā. Jūs pīmši, bļa.
Mēs vienkārši prognozējām.
Jā.
Totalizator was active.
Opti beta. Oli beta.
Dying like beta.
Хули, блядь, тут?
Смау.
Бля, ёба твою мать, нахуй skrien, блядь.
Ja tu ilgi turi, tas ir tipā stiprais sitiens.
Labi, es jābūvēju.
Zahuna.
Tā ir pizdu LA Indijā, blядь.
Tu nav saprast instruments? Jā, tev ir jāspiež R. Aizpist prom. Tur R.
Es jau pisās divs.
R uzspied?
Es jau spiedu.
Apstājies un uzspied R. Tev jāslabo savus vienā trubu. Tev šeit uzrādīsies, tipa izsaukums viņam. Tad viņš sapist. Un repair ir rekordas augšējies, tipa. Tev vēl 2 repairas palikuši. Mēģina arī savākt pa ceniem, ja kaut kāds mačets vai ko tur redz. Un tu vari lūtot arī zombijas, kad viņi nogāja. Visu viņš ir darbs, tu esi arī, ka viņam virsū, bet tev kaut kur skrien tālāk. Man pietis ar trūku.
Ko man jārunā? Tevi. Nē, nav.
Es, ka jā, iekšā būdam. Knock. Who's there?
Doctor? Hello? Anybody there?
Camden, are you there?
So
I'm supposed to get a vaccine?
No. Suppressant.
Edgar.
Called Antizin. Suppresses the symptoms. Here, sit.
No, trust.
Antizin postpones the inevitable. Best the DRE could do.
Shot, right?
Inevitable. So there's no cure?
Yep.
It's a variation of rabies.
We're just chilling
There's
and
no cure
my
right
brother
now.
who's new
But
to
you
this
see,
game,
I've been running
he's just
tests on
trying
both
this game.
antizin
He's
and
first time
infected
seeing
tissue.
this game, first time
A
playing.
cure is possible.
He's
Definitely
not
possible.
gamer.
Oh shit,
also
you really
like
think you can
that,
figure it out?
With Dr. Camden's
say
help,
that,
yes.
right?
I think so.
He's not.
Now, where did I put that injector?
Usually he's playing. If he's playing,
Dr.
he's playing
Camden?
only
A
NBA
colleague
or
trapped in Sector Zero,
NHL, something
where
like
the
that.
outbreak first, broke out. We've been
I mean,
collaborating
no
via
sports
radio,
generally.
though we would have made more progress if the
And now we're
connection
checking
were
how it's
better.
playing.
Also,
Dying
if
Light.
my earlier experiments had borne fruit. I tried
Welcome,
injecting recombined versions of the virus into chunks of meat and leaving them around the city,
Boiled?
hoping some of the infected would eat them, so I could observe and
By
document
the
the
way, get
results.
multi-stream.
But they didn't?
But no, wait.
It bore no fruit.
Those streams, seriously?
I'm ashamed that I wasted so much
So,
time on it.
Those streams,
No
seriously?
reason to hold any antizin in reserve now.
Yeah, but
In any case,
okay, never mind.
all right.
You
I'm
just
quite
do
busy, so
mostly
on your
for
way
now.
now.
Because we were
What
just
was I
watching.
doing?
Oh, my brother is trying bang leg. It's pretty exciting.
Speed keeps you alive.
Or not.
Raheem, Zara
Maybe
checked me
he's
out and gave me another
scared,
shot.
Or I don't know.
Great. That ought to hold you for a while.
Oh,
Which is
you're
good.
right, but
I'm starting to get
holy
used to the
shit.
idea of bossing you around.
Tev visu laiku priekšā.
So, time
Trumpa
for a real
tev
trial.
neizdos.
Go talk to Spike.
Tev
Find
viss
him
ir
near
tikai
Zara's
priekšā.
truck.
Tikai
He'll have
nakts
the first real job for you.
Ar trumpa tev neizglābs.
Man tikko kaut kādu sūdu iedā.
Hey, Spike? I'm Crane.
Just what I need. More unskilled labor. All right, shut up and pay attention. There are two types of airdrops. One has food, first aid supplies, survival gear, and such. The other kind is filled with antizin. The GRE sends in a one-way video feed that lets us know when they're on the way. Look, the trouble is, the airdrops with antizin keep getting raided by Rise's thugs. And without antizin, we're basically screwed. Rise and his boys only operate during the day because going out after dark is a dandy way to get killed. But the next two antizin drops are coming down right at sunset tonight, and Brecken means to go after them. This may be our only chance to reach the airdrop.
What's my part here?
Well, as I said, going out at night is basically suicide. Or it would be if I hadn't been setting up safe zones and traps out there for weeks now, which I have. Now, Brecken and his team will be okay tonight so long as you get out there now and arm those traps. That's your part.
All right. What are these traps and how do I arm them?
You'll see. I'll be talking you through it. Just remember, without these traps, Brecken won't survive the night. And if he doesn't come back, before you head out there, grab some firecrackers. Made them myself. They make a fine distraction if you get in trouble.
Varētu būt Amsterdam. Jūs mainīsiet. Man liekas, bija uzlikts tas.
Kas man tagad jādara?
Skaties kartē, skaties objektīvu. Ko tev saka, kas tev jādara? Lasi. Lasi katru teikumu. Te ir tiešām viss jālasa. Read. Jā. Kisi. Tur ir lockpiki.
Es ir žūks parādījis. Tu, bļārai.
Čista jau.
Блядь, нахуй tevi. Šur, bļārai. Kropli,
Jā, tie arī spēks.
Okay, first, the
Jā, iesaku, jo tad runneri atskrien. Runneri tie ir ātri. Ātri zombi.
Jade here. Is anyone outside right now? Urgent help needed.
I'm outside. I'm working for Spike.
You're great, right? Listen, our runners tried to secure one of our safe houses for Brecken's mission. He's in a courtyard by Zephyr and Mimar, surrounded by zombies. We gotta help him.
Alright, I'm on it.
Pie manis te vienreiz aptāpad. Jā, tu, blēd. Atgriezies par alu.
Bļaļ, ko viņu dausa nav? Sāžojās, bļaļ.
Tas bija alu, bet tu beigās tu, blēd, vienkārši to līdzi savas virsū. Tas to atņem daudz.
What the fuck? Tiešām.
To drink
tad ieraudzīja pudalu no bļazājas. Tas nav tā.
Jā, dzeršana nogalina.
Bļaņa, tu nahuj.
Kas tas ir čats?
Bļaļ, jebать nahuj!
Okay, Jade, I'm here, along with some infected.
Watch yourself, Crane.
O, bļaļ, pimpi nahuj. Bļaļ, kurva nahuj. Mirsti nahuj. Kā bija sist, bļaļ?
Palīd. Ej, sista kāda.
Kas tev nahuj notiek?
Slayer Solot. Tīmēši nāk. Kas te gribējās durvēt vēl, es ne?
I think it's too late for this guy.
Don't let him suffer.
Bļaļ, viņš vēl mani sit nahuj.
Jā, tas ir ātras. Viņš vēl runāt arī.
Bļaļ, tu nahuj nomirsti, bļaļ.
Ar kāju arī sit.
Kā bija kāju sist? Bļaļ, nahuj tevi.
Okay, it's done. Fuck.
You had no choice. He wasn't human anymore. Now hurry. You still need to turn on the lights. That's the only way to make this place safe at night.
Maybe, jā.
Kā nahuj gaismu ieslēgt?
Jā, nevis L, bet viņam ir drošinātāji ieslēgt.
That cell is getting ready for some one-on-one action, you know. Wink, wink.
Ah, shit.
What kind of one-on-one action?
Got the lights on?
I mean,
almost. Just give me a second.
Holy shit, man. What the fuck are you
maybe with a girl.
Smack, man.
Not the shit. Not that kind of guy.
Bļaļ, ko viņi te daudz nahuj?
Jā, ej apdi.
Tad nu nahuj, bļaļ.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Bļaļ, nahuj tevi, bļaļ. Pimpi, bļaļ. Bļaļ, vēl nahuj. Bļaļ. Kā, bļaļ. Ilze, bļaļ.
He's 17 years old.
Bļaļ, redz, ka kanibāli nahuj. Bļaļ, redz, ka šits lēn augšā.
Jā.
Tad nu nahuj, es pisās prom. O, bļaļ. Arī sūdu, bļaļ. Pagarināt posvaigi. Šurpināt. O, level up. Ilze.
Tev ir ierocis aplīsis pie darba. Tur ir.
Viņam ir 18.
Jā.
Viņam ir 18.
He's 18, we will say he's 18 because Twitch moderators can ban us.
Mēs runājam latviski, kurš ir esmēs.
Because he's drinking a beer. So yeah.
Tu vai pabrīdināt.
Uzspied.
Es jau spiedu, nekas nenotiek.
Tev ir vēl 2 revē. Turēt vajag.
Es jau turu.
Tur Tagad uzspied Vajag bučot to pudoli, bļa.
Neko jau nenotiek.
Ko tev uzrāda?
Paga. Es zinu, ko.
Tev nav metal party. Tev ir jāmeklē. Tagad tu zombijus nogalini. Viņos varbūt iekšā metal party. Un Casey, kas ir apkārt, par ko tev runāja.
Pagunāk stolti.
Shit SARS. 18. Wink wink. Yeah.
Wink wink.
You know how old he is, but we will speak about that he got 18 years old.
Kaķi!
Pussy, kam?
Kā pohuj vai kā?
Nu, protams, ka viņam pohuj.
Es teicu pohujists.
My cat is the best one. Aiden and all of you, all others who's watching stream. What the fuck, blah? How you're enjoying the first time playing Dying Light with my brother?
I feel you, man. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Mēs jūtam vienkārši. Hello!
Blet, izdara savu pirmo.
Yo, J-Dog, what's up, man?
Ko?
Welcome to the stream!
Ko? Huivičku, nu labi, jā, okay. Hello, G-Dog.
What's up, man?
Bišķi tālāk. Aiz gala neņem. Nekad neņem aiz gala. Ņem, ķipa...
Vat kā pīņ?
Jā.
Kad tu mīz neņem aiz gala.
Jā. Zalupu netiek.
Zalupu не трогай.
Crane here.
I guess you're new to the stream, so yeah.
Okay, I met this doctor, scientist type. They've got him set up in a sort of research trailer, and he's working on a cure for the virus. His name is Zara.
He's trying Dying Light,
Hello?
but he's new
Do you copy?
to this game.
Affirmative.
So yeah,
Secondary objective
it's
added.
pretty exciting.
Maintain your
Yeah.
cover and secure all of his research. Acknowledge.
Your stolen file still takes top priority, though, right?
Affirmative. We find it unlikely that a single researcher working out of a trailer could produce significant results.
Come
But
around,
if
right?
you want to see it,
No.
Всё путём.
Yeah, всё путём, да.
Jade, it's
Just
done.
check out.
we need to prepare more places like that one. We've got more spots picked out for future safe zones. Spike will have them on your map
He
later.
has completed the tutorial, so I guess it's good.
Bļet, tad daudz to pida.
And he's fucking scared of all zombies,
Es pat dzīvi.
he haven't. He don't have any metal parts to repair his guns, so it's pretty bad for him. But he will do it. I think he's pretty understand the game, the basics at least. What the fuck? What is Cell doing? Oh, Cell, tu nomiri? Nomiri? Tas pats jau ir.
Infected are all over the street.
So what does that tell you? Keep off the street. Try to stay on the rooftops where they can't reach you.
Es laikam uzspied.
Jā, tu uzspiedi internetu. Nē, tu tikko mu internetu slēdz ārā. Oh, wait, we got some issues.
Atpakaļ ēdz māju?
Apsties šitajā miskastē apkārt apēja, viņai varētu būt tu visādi...
Mēsla.
Apkārt, reku bija, māks. Pa labi vēl. Right. Visu, ko tu redzi. Tagad sākumā tev viss ir jāvāc. Ko tu redzi, tu bļet tik vāc. Tu varēsi tirgot un metāla pārti tīpaši tev redzi, ko tu varētu atvērt.
O, bļa, nahuj tevi.
It's called, get the fuck out of here, bitch!
О, бля, Илза! Bļaļ, что-то стрёмно. Tas nāc tur laikam. Pārielai vajag. Похуй, бля.
He's just skipping them.
А, блядь. Kur man nahkuj vajag?
Tur ir jāatzīstām, laikam, tā zaļā.
Es laikam skaņu izslēdzu.
Apakšā labā ir postiņš.
O, šokolādku jau, nu. Bļa, to dzīves nahkuj!
Jesus, how you're...
Tā sēdējam domā, ja? Es redzēšu tā pētniecību.
Viņam ir ļoti daudz, ko
100 sērijas.
Jau 100? Jau, bļa, lēn augšā.
Jesus, how do you like this experience on Twitch, like, now? How's my brother playing Dying Light, who's playing first time? What's your thought?
Kaut kas nav.
Atver kasti sarkano.
Kas?
Labi, šito.
Lockpick needed.
Tev nav?
Laikam nav.
Damn, bitch. Kado salikt?
Ja?
Man pat šeit izstāda daudz vairāk dzeltenāk.
Bļa, es tikko pārgāju pārielē, man atkal pārielē jāiet. Un es nomiru, nahuj.
Kā ir metkats? Tur jāizslēdz mašīna, kur es... Tu pizdī, bļaļ, tu nesaproti? Jo, Heidi. Houston have problem. My brother don't understand what he's doing.
Nedievs daudz.
We got this problem.
Kā brālim veicās. Ko lai saka? Nu, nav labāk nekā man, bet...
Labāk nekā tev.
Bet ir ok.
Augstā vietā sev nostāt.
Конечно, bļā, I'm the king of the
King of the hill.
King of the hill, yeah. Okay, nah, not exactly, but... I guess for first time, and it's not his genre.
He's like a lost child in Walmart.
Yeah,
O, bļa! Nahuj, bļa, rokām tavi, bļa. Pimpi, bļa.
Like Tyson.
Bļa, viņu īsi jāatpistī. Kaut kā.
Bet ar rokām tur ātri piekļūt.
Es meklēju palku matku.
Palku matku,
Šāds ir augšā.
Jā, bet es slikti redzu. He's like a bot child, you know.
Paskatās bērns Walmartā.
I lost. Bļet, man liekas bot, bļet.
What?
My vision is so fucked up.
Paņemas
Seriously.
brīles un paskatās. Ar viņām.
Jā, ir. Šobrīd vienā
Man sapis tās brīles.
Oi, bļa, es kaut ko sapis.
Es tagad toču nekā neredzu.
Holy shit, I see all the shit here.
I have to like...
Writing.
I still don't see.
Kur man ir
Then you don't need it.
balkas?
Vaz. Tavs brīvs ir tik tuvu manām acīm, bet man liekas, spiežās tās modeli.
Degens stāvi.
Man vajag kaut kādu, bļa, koku.
Kūki.
Te nav kaut kas uz jumta, bļa, antenu nevar noraut. Ilze.
You know, but you don't look like a child. It's not like a child. What is a child? I think.
O, блядь! Нахуй tevi! Pimpi, блядь! Vēl vienu!
Yeah, now I'm seeing video.
O, vēl vienu, блядь! Un tev arī, блядь! Dirstei, блядь!
There's so many zombies.
O, nāc šurpu, блядь! Хуякš, блядь! Tev arī nākuj! Блядь!
Yeah, this is exciting.
Let's throw my glasses down.
Nāc šurpu, блядь! Kurva nākuj! Liena nākuj! Блядь, nelien augšā, блядь!
Tev saplīs, tu nekad damage nebūs, tev saplīs.
Bet es viņam iesitu.
Ierocis. Tas nekas, ka tu iesit, tu viņam nedod damage. Nē, nedod. Viņš vienkārši to, aizvien. Bet damage nedod, tāpēc, ka vajag manas manas.
Jā, viņš vēl augsts.
Nevar man gāpties. Izdarš krīt pagaidīt.
Bļa, nepis man, nahu, pimpi, bļaļ. Tauni, nahu.
Uzspied kābur.
Es jau spiedu.
Tev nav vajag. Skrien, man tad pišķāji.
Labi, nahu,
You're dead man, you're fucking good man.
Oj, jop, tvoj maic, bļa.
Ik van pakrijs, man. Pakrijs.
Safe zonā ielīdīšu.
Jā, tas tā.
Jā, atkal uzspiedu pogu. Bet tev vairs nav to sūdu. Vai ne, paga?
Nu. Nē, nevar.
O?
Sēd aizmugurē, ej čipsus un dzer alku. Jā, sūdu neredz. Un tagad stream redz? Nu, tu monitor viņu redzi?
Redz, jā. Es vairāk sapratu, kas notiek.
Bet šeit nav brīvām visiem mazāks palicis. Taču.
Tev viņš stiprēs.
Mans pudolis tik mazim. Tālumās ļoti labi redz.
Jā, vajag mazāk jaudīgi tur ielas.
Tad jau sanāk ir...
Viņam pieaudīgs procesors. Apēc dzīvā!
Nesit katru tev nav.
Man varēšu šķirīt.
Nē, nu jā, bet būtu labi, ja tu arī nosist visu. Bet tikai tev ir instruments tavas saplēst.
Pieskaties.
Man ir vairāk.
Jā, bet tev...
Es samainīju, ķipa. Jā, nu tagad...
Bet ar ko tu tagad cik mājas viņš bija saplēst?
Nē, šitas nebija.
Bet tu nogalini visu.
Их кост сказать.
Ej uz questu, nepasies ar tiem zombiem. Zombi ir visur un viņi vienmēr bijis. This motherfucker, he's saying to kill all the fucking zombies on the map. You just don't need to do that. Like, really sure what that is.
Bet man jau tāpat tur priekšā ir tas huņa zombija.
Jā, bet tu nesapisi savējo ieroci pret tur kādiem zombiem, kuriem tu paskrēji garām. Tu aiziet līdz savam questam. Tur iznīvā to zombijas, kas ir pie tava questa nevis. Jo viņi jau neskrien līdzi. Mūžīgi.
Čatlāk kā nulsi bišķi.
Tas ir normāli.
Un atkal pirms pietu.
Šitā nevar atvērt. Beidz kaut redz. Uzmanies no kopiem, kad no augstuma viņā lec virsē, tad tu vari iedot pēc tam. Bieži vien tur ir zombijas apakšā. Man patīk kvalitāte, tiešām.
Labi.
Es mums nelago.
Oi, baļā.
Jā, īstenībā.
Labi, tā vecāk.
Būt vēl labāk, ja es tiktu tai mājā iekšā.
Nē, nav, man īstenībā pēdējā laikā ļoti bieži tas pats liriks. Nu, buferings ir bijis. Arī citas sezānas ir bijis. Bet pēdējā laikā, man liekas, ar Twitch serveriem vienkārši nav īsti kārtībā. Jā, es būtu, bet es būtu varētu iesūdz.
Tā, pa jāpadomā.
Ko tu tur domā? Tu stress, vispār reiz došu pusi, to saprot? Reik tev ir oranžais. Reik kartā ir oranžie punkti.
Es zinu, jā, bet es domāju, ko dabūt ieroči.
Pohu ka ieroči.
Vienkārši huj nosatīs kādu.
To pastājas ieroči dabūt. Tu inventorī apstāties, kas tev vispār ir, ko tu esi savāds? Uzkāp augšā, kur tev neviens netiek klāt. Diezgan augstā vietā. Jā, tādā šeit. I-burtus, jā. Inventorēdēs. Tev nihuja nav, bļa. Nu labi, nu tā ir, ka neko nevāc netaisa vaļā kastes.
Bet man jau nebija ko savākt. Es jau visu biju attaisījis.
Meklēt, tev. Es esmu kopšas, bet viņam vēl šitā arī video.
Oi, bļē.
Bet, nu, karšķi kustēs galvenais uz questa pusi. Yeah, by the way, we need to make another raffle.
You guys gonna do something in this game, man. It's not long.
Tas būs ilgi.
It's not gonna be long. Maybe. No.
Few hours.
Nu šitais ierods ir sačakās, tev vairs nav.
Tas giveaways beidzies. You're wrong, man. We have still some shit to give away. I'm about to take a shit, so...
Are you thinking about monthly giveaway? It could be. Oh, reku, es jau teiktu par koku.
Bļē, da joptu. Tā pogi jobanā. Ko šitais tu dara, bļē?
Kā vien tur kad joptu?
Apbaldi, bļē, nopisās un nomir.
Es nenāmu, nomir tik vienkārši. Bet forši spēlē, ne?
Jā, tā jau no.
Jūs neskaita zombijas, ja?
Ja būs skaidrā, tā jau būs cits sajūta.
No, what?
Giveaways būs šodien?
Yeah, we got 2 more giveaways. There's the monthly giveaway we should give away. It's Payday 2. But
One of them is like free blowjob.
It's Payday 2 again. I don't know, seriously, is it ended? Like in the hours? It could be just ended. I'm not sure. Maybe we should expand it for now because my brother is playing the Dying Light, then we can't give away it right now. We can give away like how about 20 minutes? 20 minutes later we will give away Payday 2. And after
Бля, мирсти нахуй! Бимби, блядь, нахуй. Илсис, нахуй. Блядь, Зивик, маука, нахуй.
About after 20 minutes. Oh, I know it's winter. But wait, we need to check something.
А, блядь, нахуй.
Oh, I'm checking that
Sarah's missing.
Oh, he's there.
Эдгар, можешь меня играть, симулятор поспелать. Я сеткал номер, я не заебал.
Normal. Šurien strādāsim. Wait, palaid man.
Sorry for the sounds and shit like that. I will expand the giveaway, monthly giveaway, because we have a giving away after 20 minutes. So yeah, I need to expand it. And on like what's the DPA? It was like those fucking who's in stick dots. Life, Mr. Evat Swakes, hello. Maybe faster. Maybe I don't know. Maybe we'll see how he's going with his missions. So yeah. Блять, viņš tik daudz browsers saslēdz. Man liekas, tas ir dīrs. Wait a little bit. I will expand a little bit time on a giveaway, on a monthly giveaway. So yeah, just that you can enter the giveaway. Okay, I have expanded the giveaway, the monthly giveaway. You can now enter, but we will give it away about after 20 minutes. Oh no, a little bit more. 24, if will be correct. 24 minutes until monthly giveaway. And after hour of the monthly giveaway, we will give away another raffle. That will be raffle giveaway, and it will be, what do we have left? Rayman is off, Grove is off. Call of Juris. There will be giveaway about бананчик, бля, ну, бля, кончай на тебя, бля, каждый день. Yeah, by the way, Call of Juris after monthly giveaway. Whatever. Залез, бля, похуй. Кончай. Okay, let's my brother play the game. Let's he continue his amazing adventure. Хочешь мне кончу? Кончу? Я не хочу твою кончу, я хочу тебя. Я тебя могу в рот кончить. Блять, tu tik labi raksti, latviešu burtiem krievā. Ебать. I'll be right back. Okay, Mr. Evat. Let's see you on after 15 minutes, a little bit more, 20 minutes I guess. I will, by the way, I will post it on Facebook and Twitter, so you can easily check that shit. Tas jau ir. Fuck off, sales, fuck off. Fuck off. Белорусский авто девочки, я уже кончил в пизде. Blančik nerakstā, man jau tā arī grūti, un tu jau vēl man mačīgi prāti. Bet, nu, man vienalga. Mārtiņš, you have to continue your game. Kas? Jau, blēd. Okay, paldies tev. Yeah. Brother is coming back and he will continue his adventure to Dying Light. So, enjoy this awesome game.
Tas, kas aizmirst.
Nu nevarēja.
Gribētu tā klavietu.
Noteikti ir tik daudz ko pateikt.
All who want to enter the Malta giveaway, by the way, just type exclamation mark giveaway in chat.
Why?
Who is new in chat? By the way. It's easy, There will be the link for the giveaway, you can enter easily there. And after 20 minutes, after 20 minutes we will give away the Payday 2, copy of Payday 2 on Steam. You have to be follower, by the way.
Yeah, you have to be follower. Kādu pieteikt, es negribu runāt.
Kas tev jābūt follower? Giveaway, jābūt spēlēt šeit. Tu esi redzējis? Oh yeah, ignore Nightbot. Nightbot comments, ignore please. He's just overthinking all that shit. I don't know how to disable that comment. Nightbot.
Tiešām, Edgar? Jā, tā simulātori, nu šis galīgi neiet.
Tev būs sākās?
Paskalam.
Kas ir Nightbot?
Ready, go. Nightbot. Ignore Nightbot. Ignore Nightbot. That's not, the giveaway is not started. Jā, bļač.
Jā, es domāju, ka sākās giveaways. Tas tās nepiedalos.
Nightbot is just fucking you up. He's not giving you away anything. It's just comment like you can...
Tā jobanī tu.
Whatever. This shit is like that. I can't disable that comment of Nightbot.
Nightbot is like a little can who needs some milk.
This is fucking cancer.
He needs milk. Okay?
Yeah, okay, cancer with milk.
No, but not with milk, but he needs some milk.
Yeah, okay, without milk, he wants to fucking milk.
He wants to fuck milk? Yes!
It's fucking... not milk.
Ja, konie to dobrze. Ja, es pat nevaru nodambēt.
In the fucking onions.
Nu så, Matt.
Absolut. Kas tev ir jādara?
Nu, kaut kas ar to mašīnu jādara, bet es netieku. Nē, šitie pidari mums vēl.
Tev ir plēni, vai ne? Uzpēt 2. 1, 2, 3. Nav, bļa. 1, 2, 3.
Es nezinu.
Nav plēni. Tur bija jānopērk. Seifkārtā iekš to nav. Nē, viņa jau nav. Centimeter. Dead man,